How to like notes in Instagram. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can like notes on Instagram. Liking notes on Instagram is a very simple and easy process. But before that, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device and look for any updates that may be available for the Instagram app. After that, open the app on your device and swipe right to go to your messaging section. Once you are in your chat section, you will see all the notes that people have posted at the top. Navigate to the note that you would like to like. To like, simply double tap on the note. By simply double tapping, you will be able to like the note. Now there are also something like this called response. You cannot like these. But once you like a note, then they will get notified that you have liked their note. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.